guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally to my English tutorial. It's been a while since I filmed an English tutorial. Like a month, 2 or more. I don't even know. It doesn't matter. I'm here. So today we are doing this makeup look right here. So it's not too complicated. It's like just casual smoky cat eye look with some color, nothing too dramatic, some falsies from Huda Beauty, and you know, bronze skin, glowy cheeks, and some colors on my lips, nothing too, you know, too dark, I would say. So you can also wear that, I don't know, like a day makeup, I guess. I would wear it. I'm gonna wear it as a day makeup. But anyway, so if you're interested how to get this makeup look and what products have I used, then keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to prime my lids. I'm gonna use MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. This is one of my favorites. Okay, so today I'm going to use two different palettes. One of them is Urban Decay Naked Smoky with these beautiful shades. And I'm going to use as well this Morphe palette by Jaclyn Hill. And I'm going to start with this one because of these crease shades right here. So let's get started. I'm gonna use my Morphe brushes. I always use this color for the crease first. Now I'm taking other brush and one shade darker, and I'm putting the shade into the crease to define it a little bit more. Now I'm going to take this dark brown shade from the palette, and then I will take the gray color from the Urban Decay palette for my eyelid, like so. So it's really defined. Okay, so now I'm taking this Urban Decay palette and I'm going to use this color right here, which is like metallic silver but not too dark. Putting this color on my lid all the way up to the crease. And now I'm going to use this shade right here from the Morphe palette. This one's really nice. It's got really nice shiny effect, sparkly effect. So it's gonna look really nice in the center of the eye. Okay, moving on to my bottom lash. I'm gonna use first I'm gonna use this crease shade that I used earlier. Now I'm grabbing this dark silver blue color. It's like a special color, it's really nice. And I'm gonna use that on my bottom lash line. Like so. Now I'm taking the same color and I'm gonna put it into my corner like that. So I'm kind of creating a cat eye, and then I'm just gonna take this blending brush from my crease and just blend it together so it doesn't look that harsh. So I did the same thing on the other eye. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm just going to take black color from Morphe palette. Brush, brush, brush. So, find it. I'm gonna use this Morphe brush, and this is the brush M432, and I love this brush, you must have it. It's really thin and it gives you like this really sharp line that you want, so you can go really next to your bottom lashes. And I'm gonna do that right now with this black color from Morphe palette, and I'm just gonna do the line. Okay, so now I can do the liner, but I don't know which one to use. Just give me a second. This used to be my favorite eyeliner, but I haven't used it in a while. So I'm gonna do the same on the other eye and I'll be right back. So eyeliner is on, but on top of that I'm gonna use my black eyeshadow from Morphe palette as well, just to intensify the eyeliner a little bit more, so it's more like matte. I always like to do that lately. So I'm just slightly tapping. Now I'm just cleaning the fallouts from my eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna do my waterline. I'm gonna use Kiko Milano kohl liner, Kaya liner, sorry. This is in the shade 05 and it's like lake color, and it's gonna go really well with this look. Okay, now it looks a little bit more intensified and different. It's coming together. It looks so much better, really. Okay, so now I can do my mascara. And I'm going to use my favorite mascara at the moment, and it's a drugstore product. It's from Maybelline Total Temptation. I love this mascara because it's really black and easy to use. It gives you like this volume lashes. This is really my favorite mascara. It makes your lashes really long and black, volumized. Volumized? Time for some lashes. I'm gonna use Huda Beauty lashes, falsies. Let me just find them, okay? And I'll be right back. Found them. So I'm gonna use this one right here. Those are Mink lashes, Naomi, and they are fabulous. Lashes are on, so we can move on to the face finally. First I'm gonna use my primer, and primer that I use, so I'm gonna use Guerlain L'Or Base. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Anyway, just a second. So that's the base, this golden one. It is pretty expensive, but it's really good. And it helps me for my skin to look flawless and not so dry, basically on these areas where I have blemishes. So I'm going to use that all over my face, and then I'm going to use the other primer for my pores. I always do that. And I'm just going to use this Optical Illusion Urban Decay primer, pore minimizing primer. Okay, so my eyes are not that dramatic. So I want my skin to look fresh and glowy, but still to cover up these blemishes. So I'm going to use Laura Mercier Candle Glow Soft Luminous Foundation. This is really good one if you want your skin to look natural, but it still covers, you know, quite good. But I'm just going to add a little bit more of this YSL All Hours foundation, because this is really full coverage foundation, but it's a little bit more dry for me now in winter, so I'm going to mix it with this together. I'm going to use my old good friend and it's Zoeva Buffer Brush. This used to be my favorite and I always love it when I use it. So it immediately covered everything. So this is how my skin looks right now. I'm going to cover these blemishes as well with MAC Prep and Prime Concealer. So this is the one that I'm using. I love this stuff. I just let it sit like for a few seconds and it covers everything. And it does really good job, so I love this product. Now I will use this MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette in light to cover my under eye area, my eye bags, for a airbrush concealer, just to cover these dark circles. Now I'm going to use Too Faced Born This Way powder to set my face. I'm going to use that all over my face. Okay, so now I'm just gonna quickly finish my eyebrows and I'll be right back. First I'm going to use MAC Give Me Sun Bronzer. Brush. I'm gonna use MAC brush, this large one. It's so good. Now I'm going to use this Hourglass Cosmetics palette. I love this palette because it's like, it's not too pigmented, but you can still see the bronzer, the blush and the highlighter, and it's so like natural. It gives you like such a nice sheen and shine to it, so it looks really natural, and this is what I love about this brand so much. It's not too much pigment in it, and it doesn't look like too heavy. So first I'm gonna use this bronzer with a little bit of this blush as well, and then I'm gonna take the highlighter. And you can already see the sheen. It looks like a highlighter. It's so nice. Okay, so now moving on to the highlighter. I'm just using this MAC limited edition brush for highlighter. And I'm taking this one from the palette. Ooh. Love, love, love. I'm going to take this highlighter as well for my inner corner and under my brow area. Like so. Love that. So what kind of lippy should I do? I'm just taking a lip primer from MAC to prime my lips. Okay, I'm gonna do the Urban Decay lip combination, and it's the 24/7 Glide-On Lip Pencil in the color Liar. It's like mauve brownish color, and this lipstick in the shade 1993 Comfort Matte. I'm just going to line my lips. You can also do like just glossy lips, but I wanted some color. This is gonna go really nice with this blush and bronzer. I love this shade, and I really like how it wears. It's like so, it's not even matte. I wouldn't call that matte, so it's called Comfort Matte, and it really is comfort to wear. It's like hydrating, but it's still really pigmented, which I love. So it's gonna really last you for hours, and I love the shade. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just spray the face with some Fix Plus from MAC Cosmetics Prep and Prime. Okay, so that's the finished result. I really hope that you like it. If you like it, please give it up a thumbs up for this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon with my next tutorial, I guess. I hope soon. So yeah, that's it, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.